Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Korean food. We are going to make Korean Bibimbap. Bibimbap is mixed rice with vegetable and meat and spicy sauce. This is delicious and nutritious ones. Bibimbap is super popular Korean dish you might have heard already. Bibim translates as mixed and bap means cooked rice. So if you're ready, let's get started. Before we make, we need to prepare everything first. To make it easy, first prepare the vegetable. For the main vegetable that we need to use is soybean sprout and also carrot. We need to slice to be thin and make the like a stick. We are going to prepare for several of vegetables to make very colorful and tasty. Each ingredients are their own unique taste and flavor and cooking in different way. But today I will try to cook it easier and not take a lot of time. And then the bell pepper. This one is make a colorful as a carrot, but today we will use color and red. And do as the same, make it light. And then is zucchini. You can see that several vegetables and can make flavor, texture and color, so they come together beautiful in the bowl and delicious in your mouth. The next one is cucumber. We slice and make the little piece. And it's ready for vegetable. And then we continue with the meat. You can use beef or you can use pork as you like, but today I will use pork and make the slice the pork. And also you can slice beef. And after we make the matchsticks of the pork, and then we will marinate the pork by add 3 teaspoons of the soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of the honey, and 1 tablespoon garlic, and sesame oil for 1 teaspoon. And then add sesame seeds and mix everything together and hold it for 30 minutes. And here is all ingredients. Then we need to fry the vegetable. So this recipe I need to make is common by make the same method. But actually the Korean food in the different vegetable will cook so different method. Like I make a boil and make the fry. But today I make it simple and everyone can follow this easy. For our vegetable we need to fry with the oil and add some salt. And first one is a soybean sprout. It's already finished. We fry only a little bit time to make it cook, and then continue with other vegetable. For the zucchini and add a little bit of oil and salt. For zucchini we fry around 1 minute or until it's slightly softened. And then cucumber go in. And continue fry with the oil and a bit of salt. . And then carrot we stir fry for about 2 or 3 minutes because the carrot is a bit of difficult to cook. You can see I make stir fry for the white color for the vegetable and increase for the color because when we fry it's easy that the color is not mixed. And you can use spinach too. You can add more oil to the pan as needed between vegetables. And after vegetable is finished, we need to continue with the meat that we cook and stir fry until everything is cooked. Now it's done and next is assembly to the bowl. Assemble each bowl with a base of cooked rice and top with the vegetable. While we arrange the vegetable, each color and beef on the rice. And then the one important ingredient is the gochujang sauce. Gochujang sauce is spicy, sweet. Flavor comes with the gochujang paste, a fermented red pepper splat that is common use in Korean cuisines. And then add the yolk egg in the center. And this one you can also use the fried egg instead. And then the sesame oil. If you prefer your egg is cooked, make the fried egg and put on top replacement with the yolk egg. But this recipe before we eat we will make the burner. And then the yolk is after we mix everything is always cooked. And the last one is put the sesame seed on top. And now it's ready and set each pot on a burner. Heat over medium-high heat until you hear a ticking, cracking sound coming from the rice. And when you heat until you hear a ticking, cracking sound coming from rice, and then it's finished. And before we eat, we need to gentle but firmly mix everything together in the bowl with your spoon. Try not crunch the more delicate ingredients. Break the egg yolk and mix the components together. The runny egg yolk and sauce will combine to coat the rice and vegetables, which make the bowl really flavorful and fun to eat. I like to serve my bibimbap with extra sauce and kimchi on the side and mix them in as I eat. And again, this recipe is flexible, so you can customize it to create a bowl you love. hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and see you next time.